Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you've finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. First, open your favorite browser and go to hack..Our. As you can see on this web page, you will find many mobile games. Search your game and go to next step. Select the amount of resources and click the continue button. Insert all necessary details and click the generate button. Give the generator a moment to finish the task. The last step is a simple verification process. Just complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this process.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break.
Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.
Giving up, and now I'm thinking smart, I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card, a royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard, with a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at, I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling